Alright, my families and friends. Yaganti, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for sticking with I, man. As you see, I, man, I run through a few topics, cause sometimes I don't get to touch all of the topics them, so I, man, just run through the topics them. You got it. Try to cut it down and make it a little bit short. But as you see on the screen there, the title tell you, say, it's being reported. Yeah, that 2 men were shot during a reported confrontation with a cop. Like them boy and pray. Say, and your honest, tell the police them, say, we not enforce the death penalty, but me no want you for bring in no gunman to me. Well, 2 men were fatally shot during a report confrontation with the police in Kennedy Lane, Garden Town, St. Catherine again. I mean, I talk about, it was Saturday. The deceased has been identified as a young youth, him 30 years old, Cleon Rowe. He's unemployed of Kennedy Lane, Garden Town, St. Catherine, 17-year-old. Tywine Cunningham, unemployed, Seaview Heights, Prior, St. Anne's. Seems like I'm like a trainee. Reports from the Spanish Town police are that about 8:15 a.m., lawmen were carrying out an operation in Kennedy Lane, Garden Town. Yes, in that area they came under heavy fire. What? I saw them beat it by the lawman. Make them say the firing was heavy. The lawmen took action and returned fire. The men were later discovered with gunshot wound in the building at the above-mentioned address. 2 Sarsmar 9mm pistols were recovered from the men's person, along with 2 30 round and 2 9mm round. A later matter is being investigated, to tell the truth, by the Inspector's Professional Standards Oversight Bureau and the Indicom Division. Because if them ya boy ya about Salzman 9mm pistol, that means a foreign gun. Me not talk about something like catapult. I am not talking about no bicycle spokes and sprocket. You know how you bend over the nail and lock it. Hi. Unoffin know yourself. A new standards of police going on. Then me crack off your head. Sit down at your yard like a buckle pan shelf. Don't road you out. In today's date is facial recognition. Unoffin know yourself. Remember, 2 things are for you out there for you know when you know one bad. Jail or death. You chose your decision. Anyway, make me look a cousin Indian see a look a thing.
You're watching Deeproots TV.
I hope you know that I man in a